My house, I built it before, and before I repaired it with new stuff. Um, there's a hole over there. That's from. Here's the oops. Here's the house. You have a nice TV table. I have a kitchen with flowers and a bathroom. I have a basement over here. You can see there are blue stuff over here because because there was blue stuff over here because I was trying to fix my house because it was just iron all over the gaps. You can see that's down, so that's the wall. Here, let's pull up. This is my top. You have a enchantment table. We have a giant attic. Wait, I cannot read. Sorry. I have an attic and and something I built again. That's so hard. Here we have a rooftop, and that's pretty. I don't know why did I build a sky block and made a giant thing. I need to go down. Okay. Just close the hatch. Okay, we have the hatch over here. And here's my giant table. We have two balconies. Balcony number 1, you could see nothing. Balcony number 2, you can see 2 doors and all of the holes of the land. We have the bed over here and some paintings and the lights. And
paper.
Here's my greenhouse. Here's my greenhouse over here. You can see all my crops.
I know.
There's a bitch. That's not what I built. Oops.
Car.
We have maybe this is just a pool or something. I don't know. I didn't name it that. This is a well, and this is my path. You know this thing. I did build this. I didn't build this with the house, but I just added it. I built this before. And here, my portal. Portal to the nether.
I know.
And I put some iron there so that no one can enter it. Look.
Oh.
And I always break it so that there's... And here's my... This is from my favorite show, Gravity Falls. I just copied it, but sorry, it's not really that. And it's done. You have a good day and bye.